Auf den ersten Blick sind die beiden Public Days der Tokyo Game Show nur deutlich voller als die 2 Business-Tage davor. Auf den zweiten Blick fällt auf, dass es noch eine ganz neue Thematik gibt, nämlich die Cosplayer. Und zwar nicht die, die bezahlt an den Ständen stehen, sondern die, die als Hobbyisten hierher kommen und von ebenfalls überwiegend privaten Fotografen abgelichtet werden. Es gibt ein spezielles Cosplay-Ticket, da ist dann die Nutzung einer Umkleide inklusive. Und ich habe eine dieser Cosplayerinnen begleitet.
Mein Name ist Yuzuka.
Tell us about yourself. Yuzuka is a stage name, isn't it?
Yes, stage
Okay.
name. I'm 25 and I'm from Tokyo.
Okay.
Originally from Tokyo.
You are here to teach us to cosplay.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。いやいやいやいや、むしろそういう風に言っていただいてありがとう。
What gave you the idea of cosplaying?
I think my first trigger was when I was a junior high school student. I was watching Nico Nico video and I thought anime culture is very cool stuff. And since then, I was very attracted by the cosplay and those Akihabara anime culture. And actually, I started my first job, part-time job, was maid kissa, maid cafe. So because I thought the anime culture is kind of cool.
Moe moe.
Moe moe. Yeah, yes, like this. Maid-san is also cosplay, one cosplay, I guess.
Sort of, yes.
Yeah. So I started my cosplay career, I think the Maid-san first.
And you also were streaming or showing videos on Nico Nico.
Yes. During the streaming, many viewers wanted me to show cosplay.
And now you are a college student?
Yes.
So cosplaying and also streaming is your part-time job?
Yes.
So I guess there is some money coming in?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really... thank you. Dankeschön. Yeah.
Why do you speak German?
My father spricht Deutsch.
Okay. Do you need to do any other work, or is that sufficient for paying your rent and so on and so on?
Well, actually, if I spare the most of time for streaming, I think I can say my streaming is my main job. You know, I don't have enough courage to be a real streamer. If I spare the time, I think...
I've looked into your channel, of course, and sometimes you are doing cooking shows, is that right?
Yes, cooking show.
So sometimes you only talk?
Sometimes only talk or sometimes just sleeping.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
Actually, I'm sleeping for 5 or 6 hours, and I said good night.
Really?
Yeah.
So let's talk about the cosplay.
Okay.
You will allow me to show how you get into the character?
Sure.
To transform yourself?
Yes.
But give me an idea, how long will it take?
So it won't be that take long, maybe in an hour.
Okay.
I guess.
Okay.
I hope.
Hey, what happened to your hair?
I'm just getting ready for my week.
Okay.
Is it fine or?
Yes. That looks fun.
Yeah.
Is it okay to film that?
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah. What character are you today?
It comes from game. The game name is League of Legends, and today I'm gonna costume up as a character. The name is Lux, and Star Guardian version.
I'm always wondering, under the wig, it must get hot.
Sweaty.
Yeah. So you can't help that, I guess.
I can't help it, and that's why I don't like going to the komike.
Okay.
Especially the summer. Personally, I think wearing the wig is the most difficult part. The reason I picked the Lux today is recently I play League of Legends a lot, and I picked the Lux a lot, and I feel so much love to Lux. That's why I picked Lux this time. Actually, original Lux has pink eyes. But I put the color contact and it doesn't fit me.
So you are doing a version.
Yeah. It was very creepy if I put the pink icon. I feel like I was in Halloween.
Yeah, like a vampire.
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now? What's that?
I'm putting the cheek. I'm not sure it's the right pronunciation, but we call it cheek, at least Japanese. Yeah, but
so it gets a little pink?
Pinker, yeah. Yeah, because my hair is pink today, I have to put a lot of cheek.
Makes sense, yes. Yeah.
Pink, pink, pink.
But you won't go as far and do your eyebrows in pink?
No, not this time. I tried, but as I said, it's gonna be creepy.
And do you cosplay as sort of fantasy characters too, like a panda bear or something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah, really?
Then, well, I've never tried, but I'm pretty sure it will take longer. Yeah, I prefer to cosplay the human based on human character. This is also eyeliner, but make it glitter. You can see it's a difference. I applied glitter.
Yes.
Make my eyes more bigger.
I think big eyes are very important.
Very, very important for all girls.
Hey, you look different now.
Thank you.
But isn't that dangerous with those things on your?
Not dangerous, but it's just a little bit annoying actually.
Okay, so we are ready to go to Tokyo Game Show.
Yes, let's go.
Das Kostümieren nach Anime-Vorlage gibt es in Japan seit den 70ern. Den Begriff Cosplay hat aber erst 1984 der Reporter Takahashi-san erfunden, um die kostümierten Fans des 42. Worldcon in Los Angeles zu beschreiben.
If my memory is correct,
The other halls?
let's
go there.
Just in case, ask them.
Der Cosplay-Boom hält bis heute an. Zum Nipponbashi Street Festa in Osaka kommen jeden März eine 250.000 Cosplay-Interessierte. Nagoya hat sein World Cosplay Summit im August. In Tokio findet der Comic Market, kurz Comic-Con, gleich zweimal jährlich statt.
I got it.
Und auch die TGS zieht jeden September viele hundert Cosplayer an, von denen sich etliche in diesem Außengelände postieren. So how many of these characters do you have in your portfolio?
Maybe 10 or something like that.
So you need a costume for each of them?
Yes.
Can you buy at least part of the stuff, or do you have to make everything yourself?
Well, I basically buy it from the Chinese some market, but I have to fix it by myself. I cannot make all those costume stuff from scratch. So I need help.
撮らせてください。はい、ぜひお願いします。はい。はい。僕近づいて膝上取ります。はい。よいしょ。はい、じゃあ行きます。
Was er und die anderen Fotografen hier immer hochhalten, sind drahtlos verbundene Blitze.
So far, the photographers have been very nice, I think.
Yes,
they always
they're very
ask.
nice.
Yeah.
They're already nice, and they told me that they're gonna send the picture later, and everything was.
Will they do?
They do. They actually do. So they're really nice, and everything is going well, and I'm really happy now.
Yuzuka wollte mal durch die Haupthallen der TGS gehen und da aus dem Nieselregen ein richtiger geworden ist, machen wir genau das.
The pink one.
Yeah. What other characters have you played?
As a cosplayer, Hatsune Miku. And also last year on the TGS, I was on a Twitch booth. I costumed up as a Ari. This is also a character from League of Legends.
Auf dem Weg zurück zur Cosplay-Area erspäht Yuzuka eine Kollegin von Lux, ebenfalls Star Guardian, aber Soraka genannt, und entsprechend spricht sie an.
The most important point is how much affection I can give to the character. I think that just costumed up, dressed up is kind of easy stuff. But if you really like this character, you can give more affection and love, and maybe you can give more to the viewers. Yeah, so I think love is the key. Love into the character is the key.
photographers ask you to strike certain poses, like sitting down?
Yeah, but it's
I guess there are limits of what poses you would strike.
well, but sitting there is kind of normal stuff, so I think it's.
But I've seen some cosplayers showing their panties by sitting down.
Really?
Yes, would you do that?
No, I
No,
can't.
yeah.
But I put like a wheel of like I can show the.
Yeah.
I try to hide my real panties, so it's alright.
Okay.
Actually, the last year was the first time for me for the TGS. And I remember the TGS was really enjoyable, but the whole situation reminded me, and I'm so excited, and I'm really enjoying this right now.